Assalamualaikum grade 9. Welcome to online chemistry class. Today the date is 11th June 2020. Page is 86. In this lecture we will do the numerical of Boyle's law, which is on page number 68 and self-assessment 5.1, question number 2. Ammonia gas is used as a refrigerant 0.474 atmosphere. Pressure is required to change 2000 centimeter cube sample of ammonia initially at 1 atmosphere to 4.22 decimeter cube at constant temperature. Show this data satisfied Boyle's law. You have to show that this data obeys Boyle's law. What was the statement? Ammonia gas is used as a refrigerant. It has atmospheric pressure 0.474 atmosphere. Is required to change 2000 centimeter cube to 4.22 decimeter cube. Okay? This pressure is used to change this volume into this volume. Okay, ammonia gas is used as a refrigerant. 0.474 atmosphere pressure is required to change 2000 centimeter cube sample of ammonia initially at 1 atmosphere. Initially at 1 atmosphere means that the P1 is 1 atmosphere. इनिशियली मीन्स के जो उसकी फर्स्ट स्टेट थी, जो P1 था वो 1 एटमॉस्फेयर था, ठीक है. और वॉल्यूम, व्हाट वाज द वॉल्यूम? इट वाज 2000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. आफ्टर इंक्रीजिंग द प्रेशर टू 0.474 एटमॉस्फेयर, वॉल्यूम इज चेंज टू 4.22 decimeter cube at constant temperature. So you have to show that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. When this equation is satisfied, when left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side, then you know that this is the Boyle's law. Then this statement will be considered under the heading of Boyle's law. What was the initial pressure? P1 1 atmosphere. Volume initially was 2000 centimeter cube. Volume after increasing the pressure is 4.22, and the pressure which we increased was 0.474 atmosphere. As you can see, volume V1 is in the centimeter cube and V2 is decimeter cube. So when you will do all the numerical, you have to convert all the centimeter cubes volume into decimeter cube. How to convert centimeter into decimeter? You will divide the centimeter cube quantity by 1000, and after dividing this quantity by 1000, you will get the volume in decimeter cube. So this is the formula. After putting all the values given in the statement in equation number 1, we will solve it. P1 1 atmosphere, V1 2 decimeter cube, P2 0.474 and V2 4.22. ये 2 ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इसका आंसर आएगा 2.00028. क्योंकि इधर इतने ज़ीरो आ रहे हैं तो हम इनको इग्नोर कर देंगे. और जब पहली देखें, अब 2, ये भी 2 है और ये भी 2 है, तो इसका मतलब कि हमारी लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ गई है राइट हैंड साइड के, ठीक है. सो इट हैज़ prove that this statement is under the heading of Boyle's law, because P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, I have left the tidbit some interesting information all the chapter. So we will also study these in this lecture. Page number 88. Come on page number 88. Number 1 interesting information is scientists use the power of reasoning to explain their observation. They use reason to explain the observation. Okay, observation means to scientists use the power of reasoning to explain their observation. Scientists use reasoning as a tool to prove their observation. Observation means to notice any kind of thing. Okay, for instance, when a balloon is filled with air, it expands. जब हम किसी भी बलून के अंदर एयर को फिल्ड करते हैं तो वो एक्सपेंड हो जाता है, उसका वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है. अ साइंटिस्ट वुड एक्सप्लेन इट बाय सेइंग दैट हाउ this is basically a general statement, but how a scientist will write it or explain it to other in this way. A scientist would explain it by saying that air molecules are free to move inside their container. There is no attractive or repulsive force between the molecule. As a result, gas expands until it takes the shape of the container. Therefore, air expands to fill the interior of the balloon evenly. You know very well the gas molecules are far apart from each other and they have no attraction or repulsion between them. They are neutral. So when the volume or the space between the molecule is very large, so जब बलून के अंदर एयर को फिल की जाती है तो जो ऑलरेडी स्पेस मॉलिक्यूल्स के दरमियान ज़्यादा थी वो फिर उस और ज़्यादा हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से बलून के जो एक्सटीरियर सरफेस है उसका वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है और वो फूल जाता है. ठीक है. Earth atmosphere consists of gases that provide the oxygen and pressure necessary to support life as we know it. Atmospheric gases moderate temperature extreme, and one of them, ozone. This is the function of ozone. Ozone shields living things from the ultraviolet radiation. Okay. In contrast, the moon has no atmosphere. Moon has no atmosphere and the ozone protects us from the earth harmful radiation, ultraviolet radiation. And ultraviolet radiation can cause different types of cancer.